We have had a doozy of a day.
A real doozy.
There we were.
Yep.
Minding our own business.
Hey guys, welcome back to Geek Vault. Keith here, as always. Shanna's behind the camera helping out.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to be opening a Loot Fright crate. Now, like most of you, we gave up on Loot Crate back when they went bankrupt about a year ago. Stopped shipping crates, and everything was falling apart, going badly. But I do love the horror-themed crates. And it's been a while, so I thought we'd give it another try and see how they're doing now. So we're going to pop right into this and see what we come up with. Don't recall exactly what the theme this month is. I want to say it was 80's.
Ooh.
Which would be great.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's see. Well, maybe not. It's an American Psycho t-shirt.
I have to return some videotapes.
Well, that was set in the 80's. So, this could still fall in the 80's theme.
Mm-hmm.
So, alright. Huh. It's like a
VHS.
Little, well, kind of like a fanny pack almost. It looks like.
An overnight bag, maybe?
Huh?
Like an overnight bag.
Or a toiletry bag, or a adopt kit, whatever you want to call it, that's designed to look like a Nightmare on Elm Street video cassette. That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
I like that. I mean, I don't know how much I'll use it, but it's pretty cool. A Mogwai meal kit. I don't know exactly what that means, but definitely. Okay, I had to do a quick cut to take care of some family business around here. But what we opened was this Mogwai meal kit. It's a neat little, like, lunchbox thing. I'll dive into the spoiler card and see exactly what this is. There is something in there, so we'll find out what that's about.
Don't open it after midnight.
It's a pin. Feed me a stray cat. That one I don't know. Anybody? It says
like
American Psycho on the back.
What is it?
Okay. I've seen American Psycho, but apparently that one slipped my mind. This is a prop replica keychain from the movie Aliens, with a blank key apparently. And you know what we don't have in here?
A card.
A spoiler card. Okay. Well, I guess there's only, one thing to do.
Open the... Is it a bento box, maybe?
It might be. But this is the only solution I have to be able to tell you exactly what we're looking at here. So, here we go. Yeah, it's got a little silica packet. Yep, it's
a bento box.
It's a bento box. That's really nice. overall, pretty good box. The box was $28.95. Each month, it's $28.95. You can always get a discount code on a 3 or 6 month subscription if you want to try longer. And you can do that at lootcrate.com, of course. Now let's see, for $28.95, we're looking at licensed t-shirt, licensed American Psycho t-shirt, 10-15 bucks, somewhere in there. Wouldn't you agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay. The pen, a couple bucks, say $3. This bento box you find a Gremlins fan, I think you can get an easy 10 to 15 here too. The key ring, 10 bucks. And this, I think you could get 15 bucks on this doll kit easy. So what are we looking at? About $45, $50 worth of stuff for $28.95. I'd say that Loot Crate's doing the Horror Crate well again. It's a good box. So, as always, thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, drop us a comment. Otherwise, as always, here's your reminder.
Be excellent to each other. And
Game on! Game on! Game on!